Hello guys, good morning. I am Sunil Harinkhede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear children, would you like to learn with fun? Yes, that's good. I like also. So let's start. Subject English Grammar. And today under this we are going to learn about types of verb. What is verb? In our last videos we have discussed what is verb, but let's see. What is verb? A part of speech. We know the verb is a part of speech, but what is it? What is actual the verb? Let's see. A verb is a word to show an action. Means in a sentence a word which is showing an action, that is the verb. In another words, in a sentence verb describes what the subject is doing. The subject is doing, that is the verb. Let's see. I eat a mango. Here what is the subject? I. And what is it doing? Eating mango. Very good. So the highlighted word eat is here a verb. In second sentence, he wrote an essay. He is the subject and wrote is the verb. In say this sentence, the deer is jumping in the jungle. The jumping. What is the deer is doing here? The deer is jumping. So it, wrote, jumping, these are the verbs. In our last video, dear children, we discussed the different kinds of verbs. Transitive verb, intransitive, finite verb, non-finite verb, and today we are going to learn regular verbs. What are the regular verbs? Let's see. The verbs which change their past tense participles by adding d or ed suffix are called regular verb. In other words, a regular verb is a verb whose conjugation follows the typical pattern or one of the typical pattern of a language. Every language has its own pattern, and the regular verbs they follow that pattern. So these are the regular verb. For example, play, open, like, they are regular verbs. How they are regular? Because they are inflected parts by adding the typical ending like s, ing and ed. Let's see with their parts. Play, plays, playing, played. Open, opens, opening, opened. Like, likes, liking and liked. So these are the regular verbs. They have a typical pattern. So these are the verbs. Some regular verbs in a typical form. Base form play, past tense played, and past participle is played. Same like call, called, called, walk, walked, walked, paint, painted, painted, jump, jumped, jumped. So these are the regular verbs. Now we are going to see about irregular verbs. What are the irregular verbs? Let's see. The verbs which conjugation form follows a different pattern Yeah, there is no a typical pattern of that language. They have the different pattern in each tense are called irregular verb. Let's see with examples. Write, cut and have, they are irregular verbs because their inflected parts aren't adding always by the typical ending like s, ing and ed. And participles is not also typical like ed. So let's see. Write, writes, writing, wrote and written, not writed. Yeah, in typical form there is ed, so we can't say write, but that is wrote, and the participle is written. Means here we are just seeing the different pattern. Yes, same cut, cuts, cutting, cut, not cutted. Yeah, have, has, had, not has and had. Yes, so these are the irregular verbs. Some irregular verbs with different pattern. Let's see. There's base form, past tense and past participles. Sing, sang, sung. Buy, bought, bought. Choose, chose, chosen. Cut, cut. Live, left. Seek, sought. Shut. Means they have the different pattern. Yeah, means they are the irregular. Thank you guys. In this way we learn about regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.